Sunday morning and see what I'm up to. So I'm dressed. I was the one who went to get something this morning, did laundry, losing my braids this morning, and I'm ready. I feel that person's upstairs. I'll excuse grandma because I mean she's dressing up Keisha. But my husband. You be my lover.
Usually people don't come back. Yes, they look in Nigeria and
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up.
It's night, I know. I just gave Keisha some because I bought it because of Children's Day. See what we have left. Let me show you guys. This is what we have left of the pizza. So I'm just gonna have one more and give my hubby a roll. And yeah, can you follow me, please? Yeah. Oh my god. Guys. So it's honestly midnight. I just remember that since I'm not sleeping and I've been watching movies upstairs, why not just come downstairs? You know. So pretty much that what's the gist? Hi guys, so yesterday I went to the market It was hectic. I went with Keisha to the market. It was not funny. Imagine taking each other to the market. It was just cranky and stuff. And I had to buy quite a number of things. And it was crazy. Like, I literally used my list from last month, right, for the family. I live with a family of four, actually three, but my mom's around most times, so four. And guys, it wasn't funny. Like a carton of chicken last month was 41,000, 42,000. I bought it yesterday and they said it was 47,000 naira. So that's how crazy it is. So imagine, what else? A lot of things. Gary, a pint of Gary used to be 3K, now it's 4K, right? A lot of things are expensive now. Rice too increased. But what we have a choice? We don't have a choice now. Mom must eat. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So it was not really a funny one for me. I came back exhausted because on my way, police guys stopped me, checked my papers, everything was good. Started saying we can, their way. But that's by the way, Sha. So I was really, really exhausted when I came back. I just, struggled to wash everything and I'm put in the freezer. Right. So chicken, meat, fish, but more, just everything. But I didn't really do like pack proper arrangements of like the condiments, like putting curry where it should be, putting thyme where it should be. I want to go and do that now. Let's just go and do that. Then we can take it up from there. But right now, exhausted is an understatement. Even though it's midnight and I just woke up to come downstairs because I've been watching movies upstairs, kind of disturbing my husband in the room. So I'm like, let me just come downstairs because my movie was, I know it was because it kept turning and all that. So let me just come downstairs and see what I can do. Today is Sunday because it's currently almost 3 a.m. Today is Sunday. Excuse the noise in the background. Generator is on because the lights that are giving is not. I don't know. It just keeps fluctuating. I think it's low current or something. It's not even carrying this AC. But now that it's this AC is on. Yeah. So excuse the noise in the background. Well, anyways, let's just go to the kitchen and see what we can do. Oh my god. I already did all that egg arrangements yesterday. I noticed that some of my eggs have a little crack. This one and I think this one. But I'll fix that when I'm making maybe something for Keisha. Yes, I'll just use it to, make that. In the meantime, I just stuffed most of the things here. Some other things in the trolley over there. I mean, that's one trolley where I just put things. So if you notice, I just put things I bought, some things I bought. But this arrangement is not for today. Let me try doing this one. I want to put curry time. I still have, but let me just top it. Yeah, this two. I don't know what made me go and buy this particular no. This is the normal no. Let's get it. This is the normal no. This one is not chicken seasoning cubes. This is non-natural ingredient. I don't know. I mistakenly bought it, honestly. I didn't know. This is still it though. I put it in the bowl. Taste, I don't know. I don't understand. Maybe people know how to use it, but to me it's bitter. I don't know. But I can't do this. I can't. This is curry. We have some curry that's ready. So we're just gonna see I light and actually have seeds. So we can just do this. Oh. bottom of the jar because it gets the clog when it's in the nylon when air touches the body or AC. I don't know if you understand what I mean. But yes, I'm going through this rigorous process just to ensure that I'm not having the person spice in one place. You know, so I just use a spoon to scoop and I need to make up a soup. I would have not bought this type, but I noticed that I like. There's a bigger one, sha, but maybe going forward, I'll be buying the big one. In the meantime, let's see. So this was all the chicken and more that I bought. I'm just going to close this up and have it in the freezer. Yeah. Also, bread. You guys don't believe how much bread costs now. Bread costs a fortune right now. Um, there's also drinks. But all of this, I'm just gonna have to arrange later. The juice as well. But for now, let's just have the ones just stay here while I arrange them tomorrow. I'm tired already. So I've been able to arrange quite a number of stuff. I just want to go back to the living room, and yeah, I didn't even show some part of what I arranged, but yes, I've been able to make progress. I want to wash this fridge tomorrow. I need to wash this fridge tomorrow. I need to also wash the freezer tomorrow, but that'll be after church. So let's see. I'm sweating. Okay, it's cool here. The AC is going to help. So guys, that's pretty much it. I made this hair last week. I've been in the sun. I've literally been parking the car and been going in the sun because Lagos is not for the weak. So if you notice my face and discoloration, this one I've been so God, I feel embarrassed. You know how you do this, like first thing something. So I realized I've done it for like 3 days straight and it gave me this line. So I don't even know what to do about this line. But anyway, I'm sweating badly. I think I'll take it my bath when I go upstairs. Any which way, guys, I just wanted to do that arrangement quickly while everybody's sleeping. If I had the strength, I would have filmed. Oh yes, I made my lashes as well. I couldn't vlog when I did it, but the same day I vlogged my nails, a part of my nails or the clips I put from my nails, that's when I did this as well. So I'm just going to go upstairs, bring out what I want to wear to church today, so I don't have to delay myself or delay the family. And then when I do that, I'll pretty much just take my bath and then maybe go to bed. What's there to do? Maybe go to bed really because I mean, what else is there to do? So yeah, I wanted to sweep and mop the parlor this morning. I think it's too early to start doing that. So I'll just wait till morning. So now let me just go and get what I need to wear to church ready and what Kisha wear to church ready. Kisha refused to make her hair yesterday. Tell me about it. I'm going to improvise. I'm going to have to improvise, maybe pack her hair. There's this thing I have. Let me go and show you guys upstairs. Yeah, because I think, yes, let me go and show you guys. In the meantime, let's turn off the AC, turn off the lights. Go upstairs. There's this thing I have, right? It's a bowl. What comes with like bead? Let me just show you.